Looking for peak performance and show-stopping looks? US Radiator delivers the cooling you need, and Concept One provides the ultimate pulley system. Level up your ride. And hey, for more awesome builds and insights, hit that subscribe button for ScottieDTV. Steve?
Scotty?
How are you, brother?
I'm blessed. How you doing?
Oh, outstanding. Yeah, no doubt about it. Good day, pretty weather.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, no traffic coming in this morning.
That's good.
Yeah.
On a Saturday, right?
All right, and you got America's original hot rod here, a 32 Ford.
Right.
I mean, that's where it all started, right?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's I guess that was the beginning of it, right?
Right. Now, I mean, when you look back at it, you know they're common and all that, but when you really break it down, that was the first car they probably hot rodded in. So, America's original hot rod.
There you go.
Oh, that's a cool one. Tell me a little bit about it.
Well, it belongs to Larry Olson. He called up and said, I didn't even know it was coming. He said, hey, I got a 32 Ray. I was like, okay. He had already brought it down. I was like, bring it on. You know, we'll work it in. Of course, it lives here for a little bit, but you know, he wasn't in a great big hurry for it, so we got him fixed up, and he picked out a mulberry-colored leather that we get from Moores and Giles.
Okay.
We've done that in quite a few of Alloway's cars and some of his cars also, and it's a really good, deep burgundy look. It looks good with that.
Classic.
Yeah, it looks good with that
classic
gray.
look. It's not Times of the Styles or something.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
And then he said it was a gray off of a Ferrari gray on that on the paint job, so it all blended up good.
Right.
Looks neat. And of course we did. I was like, you know, we got to do something at a 32. And what kind of interior design do you do on a 32? I mean, it's not been done before.
Very limited, right?
Yeah. So we tried to come up with a little bit of something, and I think we achieved something I've not seen out there, and put a little bit of a accent material in the door panels. And the kick panels and stuff, it brings out the gray of the car and stuff. So I think it blends and looks really cool.
No,
it's got a modern look, or a retro look to it.
It's all about the details, you know. And so when I started to shoot it, I thought to myself, not only is it cool that the grab handles are those metal or the material? Okay,
no, it's all metal.
Right, that's what I thought. I was like, wow, these things look metal. Not only is it cool that they're on there like that, but then they're covered in that material that really offsets the gray paint. It almost matches it perfect.
Yeah, we was trying to come up with something that I didn't want just like an armrest or just some kind of grab pull on there. So it's got a piece of 3/4 inch by 3/4 by 1/4 inch aluminum, and we bent it and shaped it. And Tim got it all fixed and covered and making it look like it belonged there. So when you're looking at it, you don't really see it until you look down on it and you see it's pulled out a little bit. So you can just open it up. It'll help you, just shut the door and stuff like that.
It's one of them details that are really cool and really subtle. It's not in your face, but when you look at it, it just all blends together and looks like it's supposed to look.
Yeah. So I thought it turned out pretty cool. And then it's got full everything on it. It's all custom made, the seat and everything. He didn't have any room for his turn signals up on his steering column, so he's got turn signals right underneath the seat. You just reach down and flip it right or left.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And you reach underneath the seat, and it's got his power switch, and we got him a few things underneath there.
Trunk?
A little bit of storage. Yeah, trunk, just a nice clean trunk, all fitted right. We cut out some designs and make it match the door panels with the carpet insert in that, as well as the kick panels and things. Just when it's all opened up, it just all blends and matches really nice.
No, really nice job. What engines they have in it?
Well, it's got a 428 cubic inch big block. I guess it's built by
482.
Or 482, yeah. I'm dyslexic.
Yeah, now that's what I was told. It may be a 428, but I was told a 482. Big block.
I guess it was built by Tim Mathern.
Right.
They're out of South Dakota.
Custom, all aluminum, FE. The owner wanted the big block FE in it, so he found that. From what I understand, custom, and got it through Tim Matherson or Mathers, and the block, and then they put it all together.
Yeah, he had Kevin Bowman of Bowman's Real Hot Rods to paint, to do the build on it, and then it was painted by Ron Burchaz, and I guess they're all out of
South Dakota. And he's with what, RBG Enterprises?
Yeah, RGB Enterprises.
Right on.
So they did a good job on it. It's got custom wheels on it.
What is 17s and 20s?
Yeah, 17s on the front, 20s on the back, and they just. If you notice the tires, they sanded them down and they're just super smooth. And they look just almost like a salt flat type. So it looks cool.
No, very cool car. And I guess that was one of the last wheels that Boyd designed, or he had something at his hand in designing the wheel. Yeah, those are custom cut and all that too. So, no, I think everybody involved did a heck of a job on it. I like it. A 32. There again, they've been done to death, millions of them. So to be able to do anything different in one, is, you know, got to give you a pat on the back. And I think it being this color gray, I think what you did in the interior sets this one apart, that you can say, oh, did you see that gray one with the red interior? And people will be like, oh yeah, I saw that one.
Yeah, it didn't need like a modern type interior. It needed something that'll flow with the air of the car.
Right.
So, you know, it's got the old wheels and big block motor and stuff like that in it. And I just thought it would look good. And of course, he just turned me loose and said, do whatever you think. And I'm like, man, what do I think?
Right.
You know, like, I don't even know what I think. Sometimes
I'd rather give me an idea.
I'll get in there and start drawing and doing things, racing and drawing, and finally come up with that. And I thought, yeah, that fits.
Right.
So it looks good.
No, I think everybody killed it. Good job.
Scott, again, appreciate you coming up and shooting these for us, brother.
No, thank you. So there you go from Steve Holcomb, Pro Auto Custom Interiors, a very cool 1932 Ford. Hope you all have enjoyed it. See ya! Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.